switch gears and talk about the proteins that I've mentioned in hemp. Hemp seed oil is known for its desired balance of amino acids, and the only other legume higher in hemp seed as a source of protein is soybeans. Hemp seeds provide all 9 of the essential amino acids, and you can see here on this graphic that the starred or asterisks related to the essential amino acid. And again, essential means that we do not manufacture nor store these compounds in our body. We have to get them from our diet. One thing that hemp seed has, which is amazing, is it's very high compared to all of these other types of protein sources. It's very high in arginine. Arginine is a very important compound because, number one, as an amino acid, it is a major player in protein building. It also acts as a vasodilator. This is why individuals who may have high blood pressure, hypertension, and they start to add these hemp and hemp seed oils to their diet, they definitely need to talk to their doctor because they may need to have their blood pressure medication decreased. Because the more that you add this hemp seed oil to your diet or hemp seeds to your diet, the more that your body's blood vessels will dilate, which reduces the pressure inside of them. Many people will also take arginine, so they'll go to the GNC store and they'll buy arginine that has been created and isolated, and then they will buy that to help them with their blood pressure problems. Hemp seeds also contain another compound, only second to soybeans, called glutamic acid or glutamic acid. This is another protein builder, but it also is the most abundant excitatory neurotransmitter. It's the most abundant excitatory neurotransmitter in the body, which means that it's responsible for creating the responses that we need in order to sustain our body's functions. So hemp seed has these proteins, but more importantly, it has the proteins that are necessary for nervous system function and for good cardiovascular health.
So, Denise, if I'm an athlete, it sounds like this is something I should be supplementing my diet with, because it also,
Absolutely.
It seems like it helps with alertness and things like that as well.
Absolutely, because it's gonna help with the brain cognition. It's gonna work on those. Remember, we're working on those omega-3s are gonna be working to help on the central nervous system and the cannabinoid 1 receptors.
Yeah, and I always find it interesting. We always hear about concussions, a huge conversation about that. And I've seen a lot of research about fish oil helping with the inflammation of, I guess, brain trauma or head trauma. But if fish oil is good, hemp seeds must also be good.
Hemp seed will probably be way better and more tasty too.